this is Jerry. I'm the facility manager at Mini Storage Secure, and today I'm going to show you how to open, edit, and complete work orders, as well as open new work orders using the eTRACKER app. Go into eTRACKER to start off. While it opens up, it's going to ask me for my login name and password. Log in since it's saved. I'm going to select a site, in this case, Mini Storage Secure, because that is the facility where I am. Now, today there are a couple things that I want to document. For one, I noticed that my security monitor is out, unfortunately, at the office, and I want to open a work order to report that. It's pretty important. Also, I did some work with Bob. Bob came in. He's our maintenance contractor, and he helped me fix a unit door, and we want to document that that's been completed and addressed. First things first, go into task. Now, all work orders fall under task, and I have to decide whether it's a site-based task or a unit. The first thing I want to document is the fact that my security monitor is out. It's black, and the TV won't turn on, and yes, it's plugged in. Since this is non-unit, I'm going to go into site task. Right away, I'm going to add new, so I can open this work order. Now, it's important for the sake of documentation that I select an appropriate category and item. First thing I'm going to do is category. Now, this is at the office, so I know we have a category called office. I'm going to scroll and find it. There it is. Hit office. And then I'm going to go into the specific item, and in this case, it's a security system. So go here. Now, I want to add a photo, which I'll do. I'm also going to add some notes, which I tap here in the middle of my screen in the white square. And I want to say, monitor is out. Hit OK. Now, if it was complete, I could hit complete. But in this case, I'm opening a new work order, and I'm indicating that it's pending, like I haven't fixed it. So I'm going to leave it incomplete, which is very important. Now, the minute I hit submit, it's going to prompt the camera, and I'm going to use my finger to tap the middle screen to take that picture. I've taken the photo simply by tapping the middle of the screen. Now at this point, I can add a new photo, so you see here in the lower left-hand corner, and add additional one. I can save it. In this case, I want one photo. I like what I've done. I'm just going to hit next. Oh, I forgot to hit save photo, and it prompted the message, would like to save the photo. Good reminder. Yes, I would. Right off the bat, you can see here, since I've added this new work order, you can see it's the first thing, security system. In fact, if you want to check out what I've just done, you hit view, and it says here, monitors out and my initials. I'm going to back out. But that's just to show you that I've opened this new work order that's now pending along with the others. I'm going to back out. Now, the next part I want to document is the fact that I've done work, or Bob has done work, on unit 1009. That's found under unit task. And I want to indicate that that work order is closed because the work has been completed. I'm going to scroll and find at all these pending tasks. 1009, you can see here, I'm going to hit replace door, and now I'm going to view it. You can see some previous notes because this was opened previously, and my initials in the bottom says right here, the day customer complained that the door isn't opening all the way, the door gets stuck halfway up. Bob came and checked it out. It's busted, and Bob says a new door is needed, and the photos were included. In this case, what I've done, Bob has replaced the door. It is completed, and I simply want to say that it's completed and that Bob will be sending the invoice. So first things first, I'm going to add some progress notes. Say, Bob fixed, invoice will be sent shortly. Make sure I didn't misspell anything. Hit OK. Now, it's important here that I hit complete because I am closing this task to indicate that it is completed. Hit submit, and that's it. It's no longer on my list because I've closed it, so it's no longer pending. Back out. As always, I want to go into the home screen, and I want to send this information by going to send data over to management so it's permanently documented for review. Hit send data and wait for the successful sync. see that it's been sent successfully, and that's it.